Are you concerned with uneven skin tone? Do you feel that your skin has become dull? Have you started seeing wrinkles, age spots standing on your skin? And does that make you feel conscious about yourself? Hi, I'm Dr. Isha V.Mittal, an MD dermatologist, cosmetologist, laser, and hair transplant expert, and I'm here at your rescue to help you out with all these concerns. As a dermatologist, I see a lot of patients visiting my clinic with such type of concern. And when they ask me that doctor kindly recommend me that one skincare product that I should include in my skincare regimen that would prevent me from all these concerns, then definitely I would say it's sunscreen. Sunscreens have mainly five benefits. First, it shields you from UV rays. Second, it prevents premature aging. Third, it lowers skin cancer risk. Fourth, it prevents tanning and uneven skin tone. And fifth, it moisturizes your skin. So, before knowing more about sunscreen, we should know why we need protection from UV rays. UV rays or ultraviolet rays are basically of two types, ultraviolet rays A and ultraviolet rays B. Ultraviolet A rays leads to premature aging, wrinkling, age spots, while ultraviolet B leads to sunburns, increases skin cancer risk. So the best sunscreen is the one which protects you from both UVA and UVB. So the term that you should look for while buying sunscreen is broad spectrum sunscreen, because that sunscreen is going to prevent you from both UVA and UVB radiations. So how does these sunscreen prevent us from these ultraviolet radiations? Basically, sunscreens have filters that either absorb or reflect these UV radiations. They have organic filters that absorb these UV radiations and convert them into heat. That's why when we apply sunscreen, sometimes we feel heat onto our skin. Example, cinemates or benzophenols based sunscreens. And inorganic filter based sunscreens are the ones that reflect these UV radiations. So like zinc oxide based sunscreen or titanium oxide based sunscreens. These inorganic filter based sunscreens are quite less irritating to our skin. So if you have a sensitive skin type, then better opt for zinc oxide based sunscreen or titanium oxide based sunscreens. Another term that you should know about sunscreen is sun protection factor, that is SPF. Sun protection factor or SPF is a measure to know how well is sunscreen is able to protect your skin from UVB rays. It is recommended that minimum 30 SPF sunscreen should be used every 2 hours to gain maximum results. So in spite if you are using 30 SPF or 50 SPF or 70 SPF sunscreen, but you should apply every 2 hours these sunscreen onto your face and neck repeatedly to gain maximum results. Okay. Sometimes when you buy sunscreen, there is a term that is water resistant sunscreen. What is water resistant sunscreen? Water resistant sunscreens are the ones in which SPF is maintained for 40 minutes in water. And very water resistant sunscreen are the ones that SPF is maintained for 80 minutes in water. So these type of sunscreens you can use while working out or while swimming, and if you are going out in the water kingdom type of places, then these type of sunscreen are good for you. There are various forms of sunscreens available in the market, like creams, gels, lotions, stick, sprays. So lotions and sprays can be used for the larger body areas, and creams, gel and stick can be used for the smaller body areas. If you have dry skin, then opt for cream-based sunscreen. If you have oily skin, then opt for gel-based sunscreen. If you have sensitive skin, then opt for zinc oxide or titanium oxide based sunscreens. If you have normal skin too, then you can opt for cream based sunscreen, but always opt firstly with broad spectrum sunscreen. And whenever you use sunscreen, it should give your face a non-oily kind of look. So oil-free sunscreens are very good for that if you have a very oily skin type. And many of the patients ask me that how much sunscreen do we need to apply. So if you want to apply onto your full body, then this much palm size of sunscreen should be taken in your hand and applied all over your body for maximum results to prevent your whole body from UVA and UVB radiations. And for your face and neck, I always say this 2-finger rule. Apply sunscreen on these 2 full fingers and then apply onto your face, cheek, chin, nose, ears, neck. Don't forget your ears and neck always. So it is a myth that sunscreen shouldn't be applied indoors. It should always be applied indoors. I always tell my patients that consider your sunscreen as a morning skincare routine in spite you are outdoors or indoors to have maximum effect. I hope this video has helped you out a lot and helped you to know about sunscreens. Start using sunscreen as soon as you can and prevent your skin from premature aging, age spots, wrinkling, tanning, and try to be the best version of you and always be the best version of you.